y'all, it never fails that I'm always having to laminate something. So I got a laminating machine a few years ago, and I was lucky enough to be asked by this brand to receive some laminating pouches in exchange for this video. It's a huge set with 100 clear sheets, each one sized 11 by 17 inches, which fits nicely in a laminator that handles that size like mine. The pouches are about 3.5 mil thick, so I just do that setting on my laminating machine and it's good to go. They're definitely sturdy enough to protect documents without being really bulky. What I really love about these is the quality. They're acid free, so my photos, certificates, and artwork stay clean and don't yellow over time. Plus, the surface is super smooth and glossy, which really makes the colors pop. They even have rounded corners, so they're safer to handle and look nice and finished. I've been using them for all kinds of things: insurance cards, certificates, artwork by the kids, recipes. They're waterproof and tear proof too, so everything stays protected. Overall, they're really easy to use with any thermal laminator. Definitely great to have around. I love them. I hope you do too, and I hope this video helps.